Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordington's Garage in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2017 Suzuki SX4 S-Cross. It's a 1 litre Boosterjet SZ-T ALLGRIP, finished in dark grey metallic, contrasting diamond cut alloy wheels. ALLGRIP being the name of Suzuki's 4-wheel drive system. SZ-T mid-spec with reverse parking camera. See the sensors both front and rear. Really nice size boot space, lower lip, and there is storage under there, also with a space saver spare wheel, which you don't tend to get on these. Onto the interior, all cloth seats in immaculate condition. Bluetooth and cruise control, keyless entry with a push button stop start there, SAT-NAV on the inside, and the touchscreen display. It also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Full service history on this one, just done below 43,000 miles. Been very well looked after, and if you'd like to come see it for yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.